Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox Queen & Co.'s Creepy Crew Halloween kit. I'm really excited about this. I did buy some add-ons as well, so I'll be showing that off. So this is the Creepy Crew kit. It has 7 different shakers that you can create, 34 steel dies all together. And then, let me get this open for you. It comes packaged in this clear bag here that you can actually reuse for your kit if you want to, or you can turn it into some acetate-esque stuff. So here we have the 34 steel dies. It has about 7 shakers all together, but then there's of course the little faces and shoes and all kinds of fun stuff, even a little boo there that you could even use separately. And then it comes with 21 foam shakers and acetate sheets, pretty much enough to make 3 shakers for each little creature, and a 4x6 stamp set. Here, let me get this behind here. I just love this little stamp set. Some of the bold print has little white dots on it. You have a spooky good time, have a hairy scary Halloween, happy Halloween, eerie encounters ahead. And then we have a 6x6 paper pad. This has 3 prints per or 3 pages per print. We'll just go through here. I want to show you like that black one. I love this. It's a little cauldron kind of thing. And Queen & Co. is really good about having some tone-on-tone ones, and then some bolder print, but then of course they pretty much all go together. I love the yellow. The yellow is one of my favorites. And then that green has some little bats, which is really cute, especially since there isn't a bat in this kit, but there is a bat in one of their other Halloween kits, so that's really nice. You could kind of mix and match if you have more than one Halloween kit. I love the candy prints and the stars. Oh, so pretty. And of course you have all your stripes and polka dots there. And then this black tone-on-tone one I love because it says spooky, boo, haunted, scary, trick-or-treat, candy. Has all the words. I love that one. And then last diagonal prints. So like I said, 3 sheets of each. So, and they're double-sided, and they're nicely heavy kind of thing. And then this kit also comes with 8 toppers. So we have the yellow, the dark gray, the black, that tealish blue color, green, orange, white, and light gray. They're kind of little squares, if you can kind of see it here. They're squares. They're flat on one side and rounded on the other, so you could use them as just some bling on your card, or you can use them as the shaker, which of course is what they're intended for. And then I did purchase this during their sale, so I also purchased another pattern paper set and then one of the solids. So solids all match the pattern paper, which is really nice. I really need to remember to get more than one solid because I tend to run out of that real fast. And then I did purchase the outline dies as well. This just makes it a little bit easier to put those shakers together. And then I did get the Halloween topping bundle as well, so I'll show you each of those. It came with 4 different bundles there, and the first one is the Halloween pearls, and you get 6 colors: the gray, the orange, the black, the purple, the yellow, and kind of a greenish blue color. I really like the pearls. I really like using the pearls for the shakers because it just makes it a little bit more fluid. And then you also get the Halloween diamonds in the yellow, the orange, the purple, white, well, clear, black, and green. That's what the diamonds look like. And then the next one is the Halloween emeralds, which you get 5 colors of those. You get the purple, the green, the orange, the yellow, and the black. And they're very chunky, so they'd be harder to use in thinner shakers. So they definitely are for the Queen & Co. shakers. And then this one is the Halloween sequins, in which you get 5 colors. You get the black, the goldish yellow, purple, green, and orange, and those are really good flat shakers. I also use them as some bling on the cards. So this is just showing, it comes with this piece of paper that shows you kind of how to coordinate everything together, how to build up the shaker, which pieces go where, which dies go with what things. And then I will be showing cards later in Kendra's card challenge. Be looking for that video. Like, subscribe. See you later.